Well, I think the floods that we saw were a wake-up call for everybody, really. And I think the construction products industry generally has responded very favourably. But broadly, that has been about enhancing products that they already had and developing solid, sensible strategies. I think the important thing with anything like flooding that's a sequence thing that happens every so many years is that you've got to have reliability. And in order to have reliability, you've got to go with tried and tested methodologies. And I think that's what's happened. And we see that across the commercial market, and we see it in the housing market. I think the important thing, though, is, of course, it's very difficult to test these things full on in situ. So we're learning all the time. And I think there are a lot of people in the industry that are trying to really be ready for the next time.